Hi ladies, welcome back. In today's video, I have another wig video for you. This wig is from ISEE Hair. It's their Kinky Straight half wig in 24 inches. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a unboxing. Always beautiful packaging. I got this elastic adjustable band. I also got a melt band, a wig care card, some wig caps, and here is a better look at the wig. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this for you all. Super beautiful wig, smells really good, and as you can see, super long. It's 24 inches and it's that kinky texture, so it mimics our hair perfectly. Here is a look at the invisible hairline at the front. As you can see, no tracks. This wig is super natural. There's a comb at the top as well as the bottom. And then you're gonna get combs on both the right and left sides. So this wig's gonna be super secure. It's not going anywhere. You also get this elastic adjustable band in the back, as well as a drawstring. So this wig is super secure. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig up. So I will be doing some flexi rods. I did not want to alter that really nice texture the wig has, so I'm gonna use some flexi rods. We're gonna do a non-heat styling on this wig. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I flexi rod my own hair. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use that Lotta Body mousse. And I'm just going to distribute the mousse throughout each section. I'm gonna brush that through. And I'm gonna be using these gray flexi rods that I got from Sally Beauty. And I'm just going to do the twist and roll method to flexi rod this hair. And I am gonna do 5 flexi rods on each side of the wig, so only 10 flexi rods with this style. This is what the wig looks like after I have added all the flexi rods, 5 on each side. And I did let that air dry overnight. This is the next day, and I did do about 3 flexi rods in the front for my leave out. As you can see, you don't need that much leave out, so this is gonna blend perfectly. Just gonna go ahead and install the wig. And I did use the comb at the top and the back to secure this wig down. I did not use the combs on the sides. I didn't find that that was necessary. But what I am gonna do, I am gonna use that drawstring in the back. This is gonna give the wig extra security. And I'm gonna just tuck that in the back. Then I'm gonna go ahead and undo my flexi rods. As you can see, the hair looks super natural and it curled very, very well with the flexi rods. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Olaplex hair oil to separate the flexi rods. We're going to give this hair a super voluminous look. This hair is already a good density. It is 180% density. Just separating the hair is going to make it even more voluminous. And also this hair is natural black and it is 100% human hair. I know I've gotten wigs, half wigs from companies in the past, and I can completely tell it was blended with synthetic hair, but I can tell that this wig is 100% human hair. The wig is great quality compared to some of the wigs I've gotten in the past. Now I'm going to go ahead and undo those flexi rods at the front where I left out a little bit of leave out. And I'm not really going to separate those curls at the front. I'm just going to let those be how they are. And I'm just using that leave out to cover up that invisible hairline of the half wig just to make that blend seamlessly. As you can see, you do not need a ton of leave out. This wig blends perfectly. Here is a closer look at the hairline, super natural. And here is the back. It is super bouncy. And you can also do so many styles with this wig. I'm just gonna try a half up and half down. Super cute. And then also I'm going to go in and just wear it as a headband by tying this bandana at the front. Super beautiful wig. I will leave all the links to this wig down in the description box below and also a discount code. Be sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.